Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a belt on your lawnmower. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So here we go. First of all, we're going to get here, it's got a bolt right here, down here, and right over here. So it's 4 bolts in total. And they're pretty easy. It's going to be a 10 millimeter. And I just replaced it right now, but here I'm gonna show you just real quick. Take it off. See, after you take it off, this is the transmission. It swivels around, so I'm gonna take it off real quick. It's pretty easy. See, check it out. So this is the new belt I bought for it. It's pretty easy. See, so here's the belt. To get it on, just bring it in. You bring it in through here. So see, now it's in there. And first, you're gonna bring it around right over here. It's pretty easy. It's giving me a little bit of a hard time because I got the phone with me. And you come over here and put this in this little okay, so you're gonna see my fingers. There we go. See, so if you take a look at it, it's gonna look kind of loose, but the way it's gonna tighten is we're gonna put this back in here. We're gonna put this right in here. This piece is gonna go and clean off this little. Okay, so this one's gonna go right this way. So there we go. There we go. Put your bolts back on. Pretty easy, pretty simple. One up here, 2, 1 right here, 3, and 1 down here, 4. And there you have it. Now I'm gonna test it out to see if it actually runs after I put the poly on. So